In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. To get started, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet and open the project sheet where you want to collect signatures. You should be looking at the grid view of your sheet, with your columns and rows visible. This is important because the form you're about to build is directly connected to this sheet and will feed responses into it. At the top of the sheet, find the Forms option in the toolbar and click it. This opens up the Forms panel where you can manage any existing forms tied to this sheet. If you don't already have a form set up, that's fine. We're going to create one now. Go ahead and click Create Form. Smartsheet will open a new Form Builder window. Here you'll see a live preview of your form on one side and the field settings on the other. This is where you control what information people fill out. Next, look for the option to add a new field and click New Field. This is how you add additional inputs to the form beyond the default columns that Smartsheet may have already pulled in. A panel or menu will appear showing different field types you can choose from. In the Search or Selection area, start typing to filter the field types, then select Text/Number. We're using this as the base for the field that will become your signature field. Once you've chosen text number, confirm your selection by clicking OK. The new field will be added to your form, and you'll see it appear in the preview. Now, with that new field selected, look for the option labeled Signature and click it. This tells Smartsheet to treat this field as a signature field, which allows form respondents to sign using their mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen instead of just typing text. Click into the label area for this new field and type in the name you want, such as signature, or something more specific like client signature. Clear, descriptive labels help people understand exactly what they're expected to do. If needed, adjust any other settings, such as making the field required, so that the form can't be submitted without a signature. Once everything looks good and the signature field appears correctly in the form preview, scroll to the top or bottom of the form builder and click Save. This final step applies your changes so that anyone using the form will now see and be able to complete the signature field.